Hello everyone, today video about the Fisherman and the Angler. We have, for this one, thickness is 19.5 millimeters. So the Fisherman, we have a 99 grams, 18 functions, and the item number is 1.4733.72. Angler, we have 22 millimeters for the thickness, 113 grams, 19 functions, and item number is 1.3653.72. So see you in 10 seconds. So the Fisherman, what do we have? We have the large blade, small blade, of course, fish scaler, scissors. Then we have opening layer with can opener, with flat screwdriver, a larger flat screwdriver here, and cap lifter, bottle opener, and wire bend stripper, 2 positions, 90 degrees and inline. At the back we have the Phillips, not the corkscrew. We have the hook as well, and finally the reamer hole, the ring, key ring, toothpick, tweezers, and that's it. This one, not really different, but here we have the corkscrew for the angler and not Phillips. We don't have the hook, and we have the reamer as well. And on this side we have exactly the same things, except we don't have the scissors but pliers. And of course, like the Fisherman, we have the fish scaler, opening layer, large blade, small blade, etc. Toothpick, tweezers, so exactly the same thing. So no hook, corkscrew instead of the Phillips, and pliers instead of scissors. So that's the differences. For the price, it's around 39 euros for the Fisherman, in France, in Europe at least. And this one, it's around 50 euros, I think. So it's not really expensive, but it's not cheap either. What do you think about it? Not much, because I'm not really a fisherman. But what I heard about it, it's the Angler is better, because scissors, it's not really necessary, I would say, but pliers are really interesting. So yes, Angler is much more popular for fishing. For example, for removing the hook, if sometimes it can be tricky with the degauger, so the pliers can be useful. You have a wire cutter, so you don't really need the scissors. So that's why I think Angler is preferred most of the time. But for the collection, of course, really great knives, beautiful in the fish, in the front scale. So as usual, if you have any questions in the comment section, tell me what you think about them. If you prefer one of it, if you prefer the Fisherman or Angler. There is the Instagram account link in the description. So if you have any questions in the comment or Instagram or anything, you can subscribe to the channel, of course, if you like it. And so take care and see you for the next video. Bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.